Hola, distance learners. Hoy es viernes el 6 de noviembre. Today we're doing something kind of fun and different. You are going to do a little bit of number practice today. We are also going to do an AR verb reading comprehension activity. Then don't forget to study Quizlet set number 4. Maybe practice about 15 minutes, 15 minutos. La tarea, your homework is going to be this Google form. It's a riddle activity. What did the ocean say to the beach? I think there are 18 questions just to work on gustar. And we do have a quiz next Wednesday, so make sure that you complete this activity and it is graded. So first of all, you have the large number practice. The learning target is I can write numbers in numeral format. Here's some questions about different things. You're going to need to translate this to Spanish. So, ¿cuántos hay? How many are there? You can use your number notes for this. So what you're wanting to say is, for example, there are 350 backpacks. I is pronounced like I. So the first one, you would say I, and then 350 in backpacks in Spanish, okay, mochilas. What's 350? So you're going to say that. So write this on a piece of paper and then check your answers on the next slide. The next one, like I, and then 870 blackboards, I, 540 clocks, and I, 730 pens, okay? Note also to make words plural that end in vowels like mochila, you just add S. And words that end in consonants, to make them plural, you add ES, like reloj. So you say relojes. Okay? So try this and check on the next slide. And don't forget that 500 is pronounced quinientos. Okay? So go ahead and do that. I'm going to actually fast forward through the next slides where you would check your answers when you're done. Then we have some AR verb and vocab review. This is a little reading comprehension activity. So all you're doing is reading this little selection right here. It says read the paragraph, pretend that you're the speaker yo. Then read the questions and decide which specific part of the paragraph answers each specific question that is asked. Try writing it down. Then click on the next slide to see how you did. So here it is. It says, yo estudio en la biblioteca con Ernesto los miércoles a las 8 de la noche. Llegamos en bicicleta. Estudiamos mucho porque hay un examen final en la clase de historia. So just you note, con means with, llegar means to arrive, and los plus the day of the week means each week on that day, like on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, okay? The first one is started for you. ¿Con quién estudias? This question is asking, with who do you study? So you'd say estudio con, and then his name is Ernesto, okay? So I want you to try the rest of these. It's these questions. And then when you're done, you're going to check your answers on the next slide. Okay. And have you studied Quizlet number 4 yet? There's still some people who have not done this, and you still need to make sure you complete 90% or higher on the test, and then 3 activities. This is worth 20 points. Okay, I think I set a date of November, what did I say, 20th? I think is when it's due. So make sure that you're working on this. This Quizlet, you can either access directly here or you can do it through if you have an app. Okay. Then we're going to look at Gustar, the learning target. I can discuss everyday activities that people do and like. So this is your homework. You can actually click right on this and it'll bring you right to the Google form. It's a riddle and it's using the verb gustar to solve the question, what did the ocean say to the beach? And it's, I mean, yeah, just try this, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to answer each question in the Google form. When you answer it, you record the letter of each correct answer in order on a scratch piece of paper. Then the last question of the form, there is the question, what's the answer to the riddle? And so then if you answer it in order, you should be able to come up with the answer to the riddle. So keep on working to see what happens. You get it? Okay. All right, so that's the homework for lunes. And that's it. Remember, we have a quiz on Gustar next week, so this is really nice practice for that, okay? Espero que tengas un buen fin de semana.